Alright folks, this is Kim, the Cajun Goldwing rider. I hope everybody's having a lovely day today. We're out on a new adventure this morning. It's a Thursday morning. It's kind of I've been real busy, so I haven't had a chance to do any videos, and I apologize for that. Reason being, you know, last week was a hurricane. I appreciate all the messages and of people checking up on me, see if we had any issues. I'll be honest with you, we had a lot of rain, but no flooding in the house, so that was fantastic. My prayers go out to the people in Houston and Beaumont and all that area. Hope they come out okay. I have one of my friends, Doug, that lives in Beaumont. We're supposed to go help him, I believe not this weekend, but the weekend after, to try to help him get through his, clean his house out. And he's got a few rent houses. He also owns a print shop, so they kind of been living in the print shop, which is in the middle of town. And so you know, we wish him all the luck with that, and like I said, we're gonna try to reach out a hand to help him out of cleaning his house out. And also my prayers go out to the people in Florida. It looks like by Saturday they're gonna get hit with a bad storm, so I will definitely double up on my prayers for them, just to make sure that hopefully everybody gets out all right. I saw a lot of my photo vloggers and YouTube friends and subscribers that went to Wingdinger 39. It looked like they had a great time. I watched a lot of their videos and a lot of their pictures that they put up on Facebook and everywhere else. That's the only way I could enjoy it. They wouldn't. We didn't have the borders open up for. I'd have to go up to the top of the state to get across to Dallas. And come back down, I guess, a little bit to hit the place where we're going. But I know right at the border by Lake Charles and all that, that was all closed. In fact, they just opened it, I think, a day or so ago. Because of Beaumont and all this, the Orange and all this is all still flooded. So, but it's okay. I enjoy watching it. I've been to a few Wingdingers already, so I enjoy watching everybody else's videos. So it looked like everybody had a good time. I know a few guys had problems with finding gas and stuff like that, but besides that, I think everybody had a good time, and that was the main point. So I believe next year is in Tennessee, so it's gonna be a little trip for me, but we'll see. You never know. I'm about to make it. Office Depot. Pick up some office supplies. So, alright folks, we're gonna get down and pick up some stuff. See you in a little bit.
The Cajun Goldwing in the parking lot, Office Depot. Now here comes the real task. I'm trying to get these boxes on that bike, and all the other stuff that I have in that bike.
All right. gonna pass in front of one of my subscribers and one of my schoolmates, his residence there. He asked me to pass and shoot his house on the video. So we're gonna check it out. This is his house right here. This is Lewis Martin, a very nice friend of mine, and one of my customers. I fixed his air conditioning one time. A very, very nice fellow. This is his place. This is for you, Lewis. Right, folks. Alright, we had Wiltz Pizzeria. I love that little place. Go get us a pizza. So let's go eat. Oh yeah, we had Wiltz and we are waiting on our food. Ordered us pizza, barbecue pizza. So I'll show you a clip of it when I receive it. Alright folks, this is my dinner today. A little 8-inch barbecue pizza. We are dig into it. Alright. Alright, YouTubers, that was a fantastic dinner. The barbecue pizza. This bike ride's starting to be like a food channel here. I'm sorry about not going on no big trips, but it is a work day for me. I'm just going to try to enjoy a little ride and basically head back to the office. So alright folks, hope you enjoyed this little video this morning, and hope everybody has a great day. I will keep everyone that's involved in the hurricanes in my prayers too tonight. So this is Kim, the Cajun Goldwing rider, signing out. Have a blessed day.